everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to launch tasks. This is how you can go through the digital tasks with your students, whether you're in person working on a smartboard or projector, or you're teaching online using a screen sharing service such as Zoom or Google Meet. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you have logged in and have found the lesson that you like to use, click the blue button on the left that says Launch Tasks. From here, you can view all of the tasks in the lesson on the left-hand side. You can click Start to view the content. Viewing the tasks is also a great way to see if you would like to assign this lesson to your students before you assign it. Beside a task, if there is a gray apple, that means there is an answer key available. Click the gray apple to view the answers. If the gray apple is grayed out, that means there are no available answers for this task. You can use our tasks to work in class with your students. You can pick a task and have your students participate with you, whether you're in class using a smartboard or a projector. If you're teaching online, you'd first log in to the screen sharing service you use, whether that be Zoom or Google Meets or whichever. Share your screen and then come back to this page. Now that your screen is shared, your students can participate and you can choose where to put the answers with their direction. Once you're all done, you can decide to assign the lesson to your class by clicking the Add to Class button in the top right corner, choosing the class, and then choosing where you'd like to assign it to. If you'd like for your students to see it immediately, click the Teaching section, and then click Save. That's it for this video on how to launch tasks. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.